Hello guys, so welcome to my YouTube channel once more. I go by the name Mind Zone. If you're new to this channel, if you're just stepping by to this channel, you are highly welcome. I really appreciate you coming to my YouTube channel once more again, and all my returning subscribers, you are highly welcome. Yeah, so in today's video, I'll be talking about WordPress on add how you can customize your photo menu on WordPress. It's very easy, simple, and user friendly using WordPress. Yeah, for beginners also, and you can use WordPress to create a well professional website. Yeah, so without wasting much of our time, if you've not liked this video, like this video, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also just share this video to your friends and share it to your social media platform so other people can get the same value that you're getting from this video. So now we'll just log into my WordPress account. So if you don't know how to create a WordPress account, I'll show you how to create that. It's very easy through Google Host or your cPanel, whatever hosting platform you're using to install this. So I already have an account here on WordPress. So this is my WordPress account which I have for this site that I'm building. And also, if you want us to create a business website for you, or an agency website, or an e-commerce website, we can do that for you. All you just have to do is to check on our profile in our YouTube page. You will see our email at mindzone20@gmail.com. Just check on chat us up on email, just mail us. We'll set up your website for you, a well branded website for you that will also have an SEO, and also it will have a lead magnet that get people's email also. Yeah, for your email marketing. So once you get to your dashboard on your WordPress account, you just have to view the site. You click on view site, and you get something like this. So this is what the interface that it will show. So this is your site that you're building. You can actually edit with Elementor, but Elementor is a drag and drop tools where you can only drag and drop tools and edit them, but you can't edit the header and the footer menu. So that is why you need to use the customize button, which is this. You click on it and it will bring you to this page. Once you're here, all you just have to do is to come to this menu here and click on this pen icon. If you want to edit the header text, you can just click on this pen icon. So, and then you pick this, the site logo. You can pick the site logo, and then you edit this, the logo width. You can increase and decrease. And also this is the primary menu. You can also increase and decrease, increase and decrease. That's how it is. So if you also go to the footer menu, if you come to the footer menu, which I'll be talking about today, you just click on this pen icon also, and as you can see, this with one, which is the logo, and the social icon, which is this, and then the footer menu, which is everything that is inside this footer container. So, and this with two, which is the company, and with three, which is the business. Yeah, this with four, it's the contact us icon that has the office address, the suite 9 floor, or something like that. So now if you also want to edit the copyright page, which is this, which is already labeled there, and then so that's it. It's something that's very easy for you, and everything you need to know. That's just it on how you can customize your photo menu. Yeah, so, and if you also want to create a branded website just like this, So I will show you the full form of this website. Yeah, let me see. I'll show you the full form of this website, which is this. So this is the full form. So I'll just have to reload this site so you see how the animation and everything pops up. The pops up, you can see how it is. You can see the website, how it is still under construction. As you can see, it has a maintenance status. So anybody that clicks on this URL won't be able to see what I'm doing here. It will be showing them maintenance. This site is under construction. So if you also want the plugin to set your site under construction, just leave that in the comment section that I need the plugin on how to set up my site under maintenance or construction. I will tell you the plugin is totally free. Do me a favor right now and subscribe to this YouTube channel, and also share this channel to your friends and family and all your social media platforms. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching this video to this point. I still remain mind zone. So bye bye.